Hey everyone, on July 26th, there was some huge news for QuantumScape stock investors. So in this video, I'm going to go through that big news and what it could mean for QuantumScape investors today. So let's get right into it. Here's the big news from the CEO saying, "We are happy to report that we've now shipped high cathode loading unit cells to multiple automotive partners." Now, why is this important? Well, he goes on to say this is an important milestone because this level of cathode loading is close to our commercial intent loading design for energy dense cells and represents a significant step towards delivering a commercial product. That's the goal, right? QuantumScape has been in the research phase for a long time now, and it's almost ready to start in the commercial phase, to start selling a product and generating revenue. And this was a big step in that direction. It sent out these prototypes to partners, companies that are likely to be customers for testing, and it sent them to multiple automotive partners. So the ideal scenario would be that their automotive partners will look at these, test them, and come back and say, hey, these are perfect. Let's order 1,000 of these or 1,000,000 of these or whatever it might be. Another scenario might be also good, which would be the automotive partners come back to QuantumScape and say, okay, this is good, but can you make this change and this change in order for us to buy it? Right? That would also be good because that would be helpful for QuantumScape to know what these potential customers were looking for in a specific product. So this is a great step forward for QuantumScape. The fact that they've reached this milestone, the fact that the partners are willing to engage with them and test these prototypes out, because that's a step in the right direction. Either they're going to get some orders out of it, or they're going to get feedback which says, no, you know what, we can't order this product the way it is. You need to change this and that before we can order it. And then that will give QuantumScape insight, specific insight on what they need to do to get this product to market. So it's a good step forward. Regardless, it's a win. It's a win for QuantumScape, to be sure. Now, these cells, if you don't remember, QuantumScape's battery technology, the solid state battery technology, is potentially going to offer the ability to go charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 15 minutes. That's better than what exists today in the market from existing battery charging technology. Our technology, which enables longer range, higher power, and faster charging. And this is attractive. This is attractive for automotive partners, companies like Tesla, companies like GM and Ford and others, and Rivian, that are making electric vehicles, because if they can employ this technology with their cars, that would make their cars more attractive to customers. One of the main roadblocks to selling electric vehicles is the big gap between charging. The big gap between charging time, right? You could go to a gas station and fill up a tank of gas in a little less than 3 minutes, I would say, maybe 2 minutes, right? Compared to if you go to charge your EV, it could take as much as 30 minutes or more if you're not using the fast charging technology, right? So that big gap makes it unattractive to a lot of buyers who are saying, why would I want to wait 30 minutes to charge my car? What am I going to do in that time? Just like sit in the car and, it's inconvenient, to be sure. And so while some people don't mind the longer wait time, others are hesitant, and that's why one of the main roadblocks and one of the reasons why less than 10% of cars sold today are electric vehicles. So this would help encourage more EV sales, which is why companies like Tesla and Rivian and Ford and GM and others would be interested in purchasing this technology from QuantumScape. So great news, to be sure, for QuantumScape stock investors. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.